We are at North High School with Brant Carter, who's been named the Score Standout of the Week. Brant, what do you like most about playing bowling?
I would say that you're really in control of your own destiny. The other teams, the rules have a minimal impact on how you perform, so you're in total control and you are in charge of the outcome.
Awesome. What's your favorite part of being on a team?
I would just say building relationships with people, working together to achieve that common goal. That's probably the biggest thing.
What are your plans after high school?
I plan to continue my academic and football career at Hillsdale College in Michigan.
Who's a professional athlete you admire and why?
A professional athlete that I admire is Pete Weber because he changed the sport of bowling. He kind of changed it from, just a leisurely pastime to something that's actually entertaining to watch and gets broadcast on TV on channels like ESPN, and there's big tournaments, and he really kind of popularized the sport.
Would you rather have a shoe or an award named after you?
Personally, I would rather have an award named after me because an award has a timeless aspect to it. It's never going to go out of style, and it means more because it takes something special to earn that award, while you can just go buy a shoe. You actually have to earn an award.
Excellent. Well, congratulations to you, and I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.